Shaffner here. Today I have a great big box of clothing to unbox for you. I'm so glad that you have popped into my channel to see what I received in this mystery reseller box. That's kind of what it is. It's a box full of clothes that I intend to sell in my Poshmark closet. If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you. Hello, I am so glad that you're here. I hope you subscribe and join me for a future video. Yeah, I have a box of clothes and my channel is all about unboxing women's clothing. I love fashion. And I know you do too. That's why you are here. So you've seen on my channel, if you're a regular viewer, that I recently started selling on Poshmark, and I have done a little shopping on Poshmark, which I've really enjoyed. And it's been quite a learning experience buying from Poshmark, seeing how other people handle their sales, their packaging, all of that stuff. I've enjoyed it. The mystery boxes haven't really been that good for me, but I'm still intrigued because I love a surprise box. I mean, I've made an entire YouTube channel about boxes full of surprises, but I was talking to my girlfriend. I have a girlfriend that is on Poshmark. She was a Poshmark seller long before I became a Poshmark seller. And she is actually the woman that encouraged me and inspired me to get busy and start selling my unwanted clothing on Poshmark. I have a debt of gratitude to this woman because it's such a fun experience. Because when I thought about selling clothing online, I thought it's technical. I'm not a salesperson, not at heart. And this just sounds like something I don't even want to learn how to do. But she made it sound so easy and so much fun that I tried it. I haven't looked back. It has been great fun. And today she is my mentor and my teacher. And when I have questions or concerns, I can give her a phone call. She's been really just such a blessing to me. Those of you that watch my videos know that I have done some unboxings of Poshmark sellers' boxes of clothing to sell in my Poshmark closet. I've also ordered ThredUp boxes. I have more on order. So if you like those, more are coming. I love them. And I enjoy the mystery in all of those boxes. And I have been pretty fortunate in being able to sell the items that I'm receiving in the boxes and make a little bit of profit on it. I was talking to Mary about this, and she's kind of kicking around the idea of creating a mystery reseller box. And I said, do it, and I will feature it on my YouTube channel because I feature all sorts of boxes. Why not feature a box from my friend? So today, November 2019, I do not think that Mary has a reseller mystery box for sale in her closet. I hope that changes by the time this video goes live. But you can go to Mary's closet. I will leave her closet name right here on the screen, as well as in the description box below. I'll also leave her Instagram handle. If you want to DM her on Instagram, you can do that because I know that she will create a box for you. She created this for me and sent it to me and surprised me. And I did not pay for this. These are all offerings from my friend's Poshmark inventory. I'm excited to have it. I have been very blessed with friends and family members that have given me their unwanted clothing. I call it donations, but Mary was the one that told me not to call it donations, to call it support. I like that. When friends help one another, they're truly supporting and lifting one another up. Enough talk. Look at this. Look at this. This is what the inside of the box looks like. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. There are like two gigantic bundles. Let's look at these bundles. Whoa, lose the box. Okay, bundle number one. Okay, so everything is wrapped in cellophane. Okay, a lot of dark stuff, which is probably good for the season. And this is bundle, oh, feels like a blanket here. Bundle number two. So, okay, you know I like the color on top. And we have a really cute thank you note. She says, thank you very much. Hi, Kelly. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to share some items from my closet to your lovely viewers. Please let them know that all my jewelry will be discounted by 20% if they just comment Kelly Shaffner in the comments on any listing. I would love to help your viewers bundle their favorite clothing pieces, and I am happy to curate a reseller mystery box for them. Thank you again for unboxing my clothing. Happy poshing, Mary Girl 71S21. Thank you, Mary. There's a lot of clothes here. Thank you, Mary. Okay, let's start. Let's start on the top. Let's start with the most colorful thing. I have to put these on the floor. Sorry. There we go. It's pajamas. Okay. This is, what is that? Okay, it's Victoria's Secrets. Victoria's Secrets, made in China. Okay, it's a medium, but it only says DIUM. Okay, that's all right. Oh, it's 2 pieces. So here's the top. Super cute. Super cute. I know Mary sells pajamas on Poshmark. I've never tried selling pajamas. I don't have pajamas worth selling. I wear my pajamas until they're threadbare. So these are really cute. And these are the bottoms. So it looks like they're full length. And, oh, cute, with the little green contrasting color flannel jammies. I hope these do good. Mary has a lot of luck selling pajamas, so I'm gonna give these a try. Okay, next up is something in some of my favorite colors. We've got red, and it's silky. Oh, there's a tag. Oh, okay. There's a tag, and the tag looks a little bit beat up. Size small. Dunas Estios. Is that Spanish? I don't know. I'm not bilingual. So look how pretty. Ooh, that looks super revealing. Wow. Oh, I have it backwards. Okay, it's like, okay, this makes sense. That's pretty. And then the keyhole detail is in the back. This is a maxi dress, a red, white, and black maxi dress, size small, super pretty. Yeah, this is nice, and it's not see-through, so I like that dress. Okay, next. I can see the tag on this one. This one is Chico's. I like Chico's personally. What size is it? Is this a Chico's for Kelly? Okay. So, okay, again, another cutout here. See that? The cutout's on the back. This is a size 0, which is, I think, a size small. And this is really cute. So probably a 3/4 length sleeve, tunic length. It feels like cotton. I don't know. Bit of a boat neck. Can you see the colors? It's like olive and yellow and white. This might be a Kelly piece. I don't know. I don't know. She knows I like Chico's. She's known me a while. Okay, next thing looks like a sweater, and it's kind of ribbed. You see that? It's not a... This is what it looks like. So it's a bit of a mock neck. Let's see. Who are you? Oh, French Connection. French Connection, size medium. And this is what it looks like. It is a high-low. So you can see that. It looks pretty long too. So this would probably, sorry, this would probably be a good piece for, with leggings. Look, it's got a zipper detail on both sides. Let's see, your working zippers? Working zippers on the side. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? This is perfect for hot flashing. Yeah, I could just unzip, cool off, and then zip it right back up. But yeah, this is nice. I don't know anything about French Connection. This is a brand that I used to wear in the early 2000s, but I haven't purchased French Connection in a while. So I'm curious to see what the comps are on French Connection. This is in really good shape. Okay, so this last piece looks like a blanket, and Mary does offer pieces in her home market. She offers pieces in the men's market, and I think she has some children's. She has collectibles. She has a lot of beautiful jewelry, as well as women's fashion, a lot of plus size fashion. She's got a really diverse closet. Oh no, this is not a blanket. What are you? Oh my goodness, you guys. This feels, it feels amazing. This is a furry vest. This is so pretty, really pretty. Does it have pockets? No pockets. What size are you? And who are you? Okay, this size large, collections, etc. I'm not familiar. Has anyone heard of that? Collections, etc. Can you see Oh, this is so nice. Okay, I better just try it on because this looks like a Kelly piece, don't you think? I think it does. Oh, I feel so glamorous. I don't know. I feel like it might be a little bit too big. Maybe a little bit too big. Oh, it's beautiful though, isn't it pretty? Thank you, Mary. She knows I like fur. I like fur better when it's in size medium. This is really nice. Okay, next up is the dark bundle with something white on top. I'm gonna save the white for last because everything, okay, this one's everything looks a little dark here, which, okay, this is what I think about dark stuff. It's hard for me to photograph it. So if you have any tips about photographing black clothing, let me know. I'm doing my best, guys. I'm doing my best. This is a silky skirt, maybe? Oh, what is this? Slip? This is Love Your Assets. Okay, by Spanx. And it's an extra large. Okay, this is like a shapewear slip. And you can see it has the, what is it, like that gum to hold it in place. I don't know what that's called. I'll have to look that up. You know what it's missing though? It's missing the straps. There's no straps on this. But I've never tried this Assets by Spanx. I know a lot of people really like it because it's far more affordable than Spanx. So again, this shapewear, Mary does really well with shapewear and intimates in her Poshmark Closet. I've never gone there. So I'm going to give it a try. I am going to try to sell this Assets slip that's missing the straps. We'll see how it goes. I'll let you know. Okay, next up, we have more black. Uh-oh. Okay, this one is new with tags. This is a straight leg Lexington, size 10, tummy slimming, pair of pants. And this is Charter Club. These are gorgeous. Can you see that? What is that called? Flocking. It's got like, they're black straight leg denim with this like velvet on them. And they do have pockets in the back. Are they like a mid-rise? I think they're about a mid-rise. Yeah, 5 pockets. These are great. I can't believe you sent these to me. All new with tags, and the tag says the retail value is $69.50. This is too much, Mary. Thank you for your support. Next up, let's see. Okay, this is, I don't know what color this is. Can you see? I know this is like a gray, but it almost has a green tint to it. And, okay, these are like a jogger, track pants, sweat pants. Oh, they're Nike. That's cool. I don't think I have any Nike in my closet right now. Let's see. Yeah, Nike size small. And it's a blue tag. I don't know a lot about Nike, but I'm questioning if these are women's or men's. They do have a pocket in the back, and that's got a Velcro closure on it. It's got a drawstring, and there's side pockets. I don't know. How do I tell if these are men's or women's? I think, okay, that's a pretty deep pocket, which sometimes is an indication that they're men's. What do you think? I don't know. I'm excited to add these. I do have a few tops and denims listed in the men's market in my Poshmark Closet. So if these turn out to be men's, I'll list them over there. So we'll see. Thank you, Mary. Yeah, so I've got Nike. Okay, then we have okay, this is a little skirt. It's a color block skirt, and it's interesting. It's an olive color and black, and you can see it's got texture, so that's interesting. Also seems to have like elastic on the bottom and the top. Could it be worn either way? No, this is actually the top. Let's see who this is. Oh, this is BB. Okay, this is BB. size medium. So it looks really short. So I don't know. I mean, with tights, this would be really cute, I think. I don't have any BB in my closet, and I'm happy to add BB to my closet and see how this does. So speaking of closets, are you a Poshmark seller? Do you have a Poshmark closet? If you do, please leave your closet name in the comments below, because I want to check out your closet. I want to share your closet and follow you, and my viewers do too. That's why we're all here. We're looking to find great deals on fabulous fashion, so let's help each other out. And the last piece that she sent me is this white, it looks like a jacket. That's what I'm guessing, because you can see what I see. Double-breasted, who are you? Torrid. Torrid size 1. I'm not familiar with the sizing of Torrid. Wow. Okay, this, it feels like denim. This is like a double-breasted, belted, white trench coat. This is awesome. Can you see the lining inside? Really, really pretty. Now, the tough thing about white is it normally comes with stains. My girlfriend Mary probably wouldn't ever send me anything that was stained, nor would she send you anything that's stained. This looks fabulous. This is in really great condition, and I am so happy to have a plus size to offer to my Poshmark closet, because I don't have many, and I wish I had more. Mary does really well with her plus size clothing on Poshmark. So that's it. And I don't mean it like that's it. I mean it like that's it. This has been so much fun. Thank you very much to my friend for sending me all of these pieces. They're certainly going to add interest, and it's something a little bit different for my Poshmark closet. So this is what I think. I think when I am able to offer like a really cool Torrid jacket in my closet, someone might be searching for it and end up browsing my closet, and maybe, just maybe, they will find something else that they like. But I need to have some more interesting clothing in my closet. So that's kind of what I'm working on. So thank you very much, Mary, for helping me to work towards that goal. Please take the time and visit my friend's Poshmark closet. Again, I linked it in the description below. And my personal Poshmark closet is, of course, listed in the description below. I want to give a big shout out to all you ladies that have shopped my closet and purchased. It really means so very much to me. Thank you for your support. Okay, on that note, could I get you to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it? You heard me. I've got more boxes coming. Please make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of those. I'll see you in the next one. Blessings. Blessings to all of you.